Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily save emails as MSG instead of EML, or both. Let's begin. First, you can actually do this in your Windows or on the browser itself. Just make sure you're logged into the correct account. So for this option, you have Windows, log into your account and just simply click on the inbox, then select the email you would like to work on. All right, so I'm going to select this email. You will now have the option, or you will notice this option over here, more actions. Click on it, hover down, and save as EML or MSG. So obviously we will choose this option, save as MSG, then simply choose where you would like to download this. So we're done, and you will say save. You can check now on your Windows File Explorer. But first, I will show you the browser option. So click on any email, click on Inbox, click on the email. You will now have the option here to click on More Actions, and then download has EML or SMG. So same as earlier, the Windows version. I'm going to check my file right now. Let's see. And there you go. Quick and easy. You have now successfully saved your email as an MSG. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.